In this video, I will show you how to create a Revolut payment link. So if you want to create a link through which people can pay you to your Revolut account, here's how you can set it up. So just go and open up the Revolut app and then click Payments in the bottom. And then from there in the top right, click on the plus icon. And here under New Payment, simply go and click on Link. Then there's a few options. Now just select Request Money. And then here you already get your link, which you can now copy from here, or what you can do is request a specific amount. So if you click on that, from there you will then be able to set how much, and then you will get a unique link to send to someone. Now right here I've just opened up the payment link, and you can see that now people can select the currency they want to use, then they can enter how much they want to send, they can add a note, and they can then pay with card or Apple Pay. So that's how to create a Revolut payment link. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.